Welcome to our chapter Understanding Elementary Shapes. Let's move to our exercise 5.5. Let's get started. In this, first question is which of the following models are perpendicular lines? The adjacent edges of the tabletop, the lines of a railway track, line segments of letter L and letter V. So adjacent angles of the tabletop are, yes, the adjacent angle, they are perpendicular one. Railway tracks are not the perpendicular line, they are rather parallel lines. And the lines segment forming letter L is a perpendicular one. Then letter V, no, the line segment V are not the model for perpendicular lines. Moving to the next question, we have to draw a line which is perpendicular, line segment which is perpendicular on other. What if angle will be formed? That angle will be 90 degree. Then moving to question number 3, there are two set square in your box. What is the measure of the angles formed in their corners? That is, measure of the angles are 30 degrees, 60 degree and 90 degree. As you can see, the figure has been drawn for both the set squares, and the measure of the triangle is 45, 45 and 90 degree. They have a common angle of measure of 90 degree. Moving to next question number 4, we have to study the diagram. Line L is perpendicular to line M, like is CE is equal to CG. You can see that CE is also of 2 units and EG is also of 2 units, so both the values are equal. So CE is equal to EG. PE bisect CG. Yes, PE bisect CG because it is divided into equal parts. Then C part is we have to identify any two line segments for which PE is perpendicular bisector. Required line segments for which PE is perpendicular bisector are the other two lines. Like we can take any, like we can take BE and EH. Similarly, you can take any other line also. And D part is are these true? So the values are like AC is greater than FG. This is definitely true if we go for the measurement from the number line. And then CD is equal to EH because CD is equal to EH. This is also true. Then BC is less than EH, which is BC is 1 unit and EH is 3 units. So definitely this BC is less than this. This is true. Moving to next question in your exercise 5.6. First question is name the types of triangles in which the triangles having three different sides, they are called scalene triangle, as we have been given the values 7, 8 and 9 centimeter. And B part also the same, that all the three sides are different, that is also a scalene triangle. C part, all the sides are given equal as 5 centimeter, so they are equilateral triangle. Then the next one is in triangle DEF, one angle is 90 degree, so that is a right angle triangle. If one angle is 90 and two sides are equal, as in the E part it is given, so we call it as a right angled triangle. And then we can also add the word isosceles to it, right angled isosceles triangle. Then triangle LMN, angle L is 30, angle M is 70 and angle N is 80. All the angles are less than 90, so it is a acute angled triangle. Moving to question number 2, we have to match it, like three sides of equal length is called as equilateral, two sides of equal length is called isosceles. Then all the sides are of different length, accordingly you can match it with the scaling. So this you can try the next parts. Moving to question number 3, in this values are given, we have to give two names accordingly. First, for the first figure, as all the sides are given two sides equal and third side is different, so we call it as isosceles. And the second name for this triangle is acute angle triangle. B part, as one angle is given as 90 and all the sides are different, so we call it as a scalene triangle. Similarly, you can complete the rest of the parts. Then fourth question is to construct a triangle using matchsticks. Like, yes, we can make a equilateral triangle using 3 matchsticks. As you can see, the figure has been drawn, but for using 4 matchsticks we cannot make a triangle. C part is, if we have 5 matchsticks, we can frame the triangle which will become isosceles triangle, and the D part, with 6 matchsticks we can make an equilateral triangle. So that's all with